Hello there. Here I will teach you how to connect MT4, MT5 to TradingView step by step. If you've been wondering how to combine TradingView's powerful charting tools with your MetaTrader platform, this guide will walk you through everything you need to know. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader, by the end of this video, you'll be able to connect MetaTrader 4, MT4, or MetaTrader 5, MT5 with TradingView for a smoother, more efficient trading experience. Let's start by opening your browser and heading to the official TradingView website. Simply type tradingview.com in the address bar. Once the homepage loads, click on Charts. This is the main section of TradingView where all your analysis, technical studies, and trading decisions take place. TradingView is famous for its interactive and user-friendly charts, making it one of the best analysis platforms for traders around the world. Now that you're inside the chart interface, let's move to the next step, using the Chat Assistant feature, which helps you navigate advanced tools and integrations within TradingView. To access it, look for the chat icon on the sidebar and click on it. This will open the Chat Assistant, a helpful, built-in guide that can answer queries, share setup links, and walk you through various TradingView integrations. Inside the Chat Assistant, type how to connect MT4/MT5 and hit send. The chat will provide you with clear instructions or direct you to the official TradingView MT4 integration or TradingView MT5 setup resources. Depending on your broker and setup, you may need to install a bridge or plugin that enables TradingView to communicate with your MetaTrader platform. This bridge works as a secure link between the two platforms, allowing TradingView to send analytical data and chart signals to MT4 or MT5, while MetaTrader handles trade execution. Some third-party tools and brokers even offer direct TradingView to MetaTrader connections, making it easier than ever to integrate both platforms seamlessly. When following the setup steps, make sure to carefully input your account credentials and verify all connection permissions. Incorrect settings might prevent the two platforms from syncing properly. If you encounter any issues, simply ask the TradingView assistant again for clarification or review the previous instructions. Once connected, you'll be able to use TradingView's advanced analysis tools, such as indicators, drawing tools, and multi-timeframe charts, while executing trades through your MT4 or MT5 account. This gives you the best of both worlds, TradingView's visualization power and MetaTrader's execution speed. Thank you for watching this TradingView MT4 MT5 tutorial. If you found this helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more.